Hello everyone, we are Gert and Niluka. Welcome to our channel. In March 2022 we embarked on a new adventure by purchasing a semi-off-grid farm in central Portugal. We are now in the process of transforming this land into a beautiful homestead where we can live a more sustainable and healthier life. Join us on our journey as we leave behind our old ways and learn how to live off the land. We are excited to have you along for the ride. So sit back, relax and enjoy today's video. Help is on the way for Tammo the tractor, I hope. Are your feet wet?
direct moet stoppen op het moment dat je merkt dat hij niet meer kan, dan direct moet stoppen.
Ja, dat is het eigenlijk.
Ja, ik kan in de machine dat ik weet niet wat naar voor of naar achterwiel is, maar normaal kun je één wiel draaien.
Yay!
Zie dat ik denk...
I have to fix another tire today. The tire from Tammo. It's totally flat. So I had to get some tools for the car anyway. So I will bring the tire with me. And I really hope they can fix it because I think that's an expensive tire. Yeah. I fixed the exhaust yesterday. It's not totally legal, but it's a fix for now. If you have to go for an MOT, the problem will arise and then we will fix it at that time. It will give me another 6 months. I want to replace the oil today, but it seems that on the carter it's a special tool you need. So it's not a normal key or torx, it's a square thing. So I will get that tool also today. Another thing I would like to do today, if I have enough time for it, I want to do the windows, the roundings around the windows. I think that's all for today. I will take you with me. It's now 8 o'clock in the morning. The first thing I'm gonna do is remove the wheel from Tammo. We put it in the car. We take the car to Vendal. In Vendal we go to Rodi, R-O-D-I. We ask at Rodi if they can fix it. Then in the meanwhile I will go for the tool, it's nearby. Then we go back to Rodi. Hope they can fix it. And else they will tell me how much it will cost for a new tire. If that's all done, we go back home. We put the new tire on my blue friend. Wheel is off. It's a big one. Let's put it in the car. Nou, ze zien het daar wel. Very heavy, guys. This is not a light tire. So they can inspect it in the car. Fucking hell. That's not a light one. I'm not as strong as I used to be. Back in the car. So we're going to Vendal. I don't think Luca comes with us. So we go alone, guys. Quality time with me. I don't know if you like me better than Luca, but I'm sorry guys, I don't have a clean window. I really have to clean my windows and to clean the car. It's a fucking mess in here. So guys, you see a lot of videos the last week, especially a lot of properties. I'm helping my friend Luis. He's starting a new company here in Portugal. I really want him to succeed, so I'm helping him. We met Luis in the beginning when we arrived here in Portugal. He helped us with a lot of stuff. That guy has really so much connections. It's really amazing how much people he knows and how easily he gets things done. So we're driving to the Zone Industrial. All the guys that go there are always really cool. They always want to help you. Very old tire. That's already the new one. 818. I have been saving tammo a lot in the last days, but look at these beautiful tires, guys. It's a bit less profile, they are a little bit lower, so I might need a little bit more weight in front. But I'm planning to give a big fat tammo an overhaul this winter. So I will spray paint everything, I will fix all the lights again. It probably also needs a few new tires at the front soon. But those are a little bit cheaper, I think. Because the front tires aren't that much. Well, it would be nice to give our friend tammo some nice colors. And maybe some ice. So maybe a few wimpers on it or something. Here's his nose already. I guess this is his mouth, right? To make it the other color, it would be funny. But yeah, let's move tammo away a little bit. I bought some materials to give a maintenance update to tammo detector. We have one problem with the rotavator. This wheel from the rotavator is done. And you can't get it here in Portugal. There's a company that remakes the wheels, but we don't know how much that will cost. So I will look on the internet if you can find some parts for Hinomoto. It's for the rotavator of Hinomoto. I don't know if I can find the serial number, but I will look for that today. So no rotavator for now. But we will do a maintenance update. A new diesel filter, a new air filter, a new oil filter and fresh oil. So I have that here. This is a new air filter. This is new diesel filter. It's kind of like an unboxing video. And a new oil filter. So we're gonna put that on. I made a little mess here with the oil. Yeah, happened. The old oil from the car. okay to reuse that. Let's remove that. Oh, that's very thick. That's not good oil. So that's good that we replace it. You can know if oil is bad if it's very thick and it feels a bit sandy. There are small metal parts inside of it. It's usually not a good sign because the engine has scraped metal parts to the oil. It always happens a little bit, but if you keep old oil in too long, the pressure will be high inside and it's more likely that you damage the engine. So if you can replace your oil, I would say once a year, once 2 years or something. Now we have some new oil. We should have a happy tammo. The new filter, you always start with a little bit of oil on the edge before you put it on. This is a special tool. It's very handy. Put it around. Put it and you can turn. That's enough. It doesn't have to be extremely tight. So we leave the oil dripping for a while. Let's go to the other side in a minute. You see, it's a very easy job. It's not hard at all. A new one. Problem. Let's be really quick. If you have old oil, you have to throw it away, just keep it. You can put it on the wood of the shovels and stuff. If you put it in the oil, it will last a lot longer and the wood won't break. I just put it on, leave it on for a few hours and then clean it with a towel. It's perfect for that. An old man in the Netherlands, he teach me this. It's perfect for his shovel. It's very clean, so it's hard to see. very little. All done, easy.